everyone, welcome back to my channel. We finally get some sun in California. In today's video, I want to share my lettuce adventure in being a little plant mom or flower mom. If you are interested, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. It's totally free and you're helping me out here. Actually, the whole family wanted to join, so let's just get started. Alright guys, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a little bit of a different video. I really wanted to do some planting outside. My daughter is kind of not feeling too good, so I've been home with her. I did had driven to Lamont, or my hometown, to buy a pot, and I decided for this one. As you guys can see, she is huge, she is big. But it's time for my tree, to be honest. I forget the name of it. I don't know what kind of tree this is. But he's grown so much and I feel he needs a new home because he looks kind of sad to me. So come with me as I replant some plants here at home. This one I'm going to plant inside even though it's raining outside. I did want to plant some like wax bushes. I don't know what they're called, but they're like bushes against the wall. Just because I want to be like more productive around my house and have my garden really neat. All my neighbors have nice gardens. I feel mine is lacking. It feels dry. It feels outdated. So yeah, let's try and record this video. I think for today I'm just going to plant this. And then on my other day off, I'm going to take you guys to the front, or I'm going to try and have my husband record when he plants my little bushes and my little flower trees. So first things first, I ended up putting, well, not me, my husband helped me to pour the new soil into my big plant or planter, and I go ahead and just mix it really well with my hands. As you can tell, my kids are really excited to help me. They're like me, they're hands-on and they just want to help out. So yes, anyways, like I said, I continue mixing the soil. It's like gardening soil, I believe. It's like for plants. I had already replanted some baby plants to a bigger pot. So, yes. Should I just take them out?
Yeah, pull it straight up. There you
go. Oh, look at his roots.
Yeah, that's good. Okay, dump that dirt in there, baby.
Dump
Juliana.
it. Pour it.
Pour it in there.
All of it. Oh, look, tiene tapón ahí abajo también. Like that.
Yeah, not gonna break it too much.
Dad, is that the same soil?
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh, she's looking nice. I think she loves
Her new home.
Do you like the pot?
Should I put more dirt, babe?
Yeah, we'll
Mom, is this one?
Those are empty. We're gonna rehome them. I try to be as aesthetic as possible for my videos, but as you can tell, in a Mexican household, there's always noise in the background. You can hear my birds. My husband was listening to the soccer game, and my kids were asking questions. So here, what I did, I ended up taking away like the dead leaves that I felt were like super dead. So I just plucked out like 3 or 4, to be honest. And we went ahead and fixed her up a little. I feel like her roots were super big for the small planter where she was. So I'm super excited. I love my new planter. I love the color. And like I said, my kids were excited, and my son was adding a little bit of water for it, because after you replant it, I believe you have to put water back into its pot. Y como pueden ver, ya terminamos por fin. Como miran mi planta, yo pienso que se mira súper chula, súper bella. Isn't she lovely? Isn't she beautiful? She is fully thriving. She's been there since like Sunday, and today's like Tuesday. And yes, she's living her best life, which we love for her, because eventually she's going to go outside.
One eternity later.
Y bueno, como pueden ver, aquí es un video de mi esposo y los niños arreglando un poco el jardín donde quería plantar mis plantas o mis bushes. This day I was at work, so that was their chore basically. And it kind of worked out because my kids get really bored sometimes, and I'd rather them do chores around the house and be on their phone or on the tablet. And yeah, I'm really appreciative because they let the side for me ready to go so I could just come in and plant my little bushes. So thank you guys, I truly appreciate you. Alright you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is day 2. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna start planting my bushes. I ended up buying 6 bushes as you've seen, and then a couple little flowers just to give it some color. I'm gonna try and record. I'm just really embarrassed because I'm in the front of my house, and yeah, wish me luck. As you can see, I have a big hat because it's my beach hat. It's pretty sunny. It's not hot. It's around in the 50s, 60s. I think 60s to be honest. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna put the bushes right here on the side wall that my husband cleaned up. I'm pretty sure you've seen the clips, or I'm about to insert the clips, or before this clip. But my son's bringing out the shovel. So let's get started. So what I started doing was setting up where I wanted my plants. I actually only bought 6 bushes for this side. It was pretty much hot. I must admit I did get sweaty. I didn't think I was gonna get sweaty. It was high 60s I believe, and this making holes, digging holes, or planting, it's actually harder than what it looks like. I'll be honest, I thought it was gonna be like a piece of cake job, which I mean we didn't take forever. It was just, we did put in some sweat basically. That's what I'm trying to say. But for the sake of this video, we're just gonna go fast forward a little bit faster. It's way hotter than what it looks like. Okay, pick up your dirt. It's actually a good hole. Okay, now measure your plant, put your plant, and see if it covers the hole. Like that. Okay, good. Okay, so now we move on to the next one. You can leave right there. Yeah, right there. And then we're gonna start this other one right here. You could poke at the hole first, yeah, like that. As you can see, my son decided to help me dig the holes. I think it was easier for him, to be honest. He was struggling in the beginning, but I kind of guided him and told him how. It's just nice to see that he wanted to help his mama, because I think he saw his mama breaking out a sweat. So we appreciate him for that. Okay, so for the actual planting section, since you have your holes digged, we added the plant vitamins. I don't know what you call this, fertilizer. I don't know. It's just I've had this bag and it works to help your plants. So I'm thinking it is fertilizer for plants. And I just dispersed it around where we had the pile of the dirt, the dirt that we took out. And what I'm doing here is just distributing it, and we're gonna actually mix it when we are ready to dig our plants. As you can see, we mixed the fertilizer with the sand that we had pulled out from the holes. So you mix it really well, and then you start planting the plant into your hole. This is my first time actually planting something on the ground. I usually plant, but like on a smaller planter. I've only had 2 plants in my life, and that's the tree that I showed you in the beginning and my snake plant. Those are thriving. Those are doing well. And as you can see, I am a little bit nervous because I didn't like plan anything. I didn't read anything. I just went ahead and did it. I actually just called my husband to ask him if this hole was deep enough. All I know is that you have to like kind of spread the roots and water the plants after you put them in the hole. So that's what I'm doing. I'm learning, and I'm actually enjoying this process. Even though it was hot, I do believe that if you're gonna plant, you should plant early in the morning, I feel like, so before the sun hits, because it was pretty like hot. It wasn't hot like I said, but I was breaking a sweat, and I'm happy I was wearing like my big old garden hat or beach hat because that helped me out tons. The next thing that me and my son decided to plant in this big old bucket that was empty was a little bit of the mint. We ended up getting a mint plant and also a jalapeno plant, because if you know, you know. If you're Mexican, you know that we love some hot spice, or if you're Latin, we love some chile in our life. So I'm super excited for these two. Espero y se me den. La otra cosa que quería plantar era el cilantro, pero me equivoqué, agarré parsley y yo la verdad no uso parsley para nada, solo tengo que regresar. Todavía está allá afuera con el recibo, tengo que regresar y agarrar cilantro porque a mí me encanta el cilantro.
Okay. What shoe?
Okay.
Good enough?
Yeah.
So in the evening, when I'm here, I get to water my plants with this. Which we can look at this one already over there.
Okay.
I don't know why that is.
As you can see here, I am just misting away the plants that we planted, our bushes. Basically we're done here. In the afternoon, my son and my daughter and my husband decided to plant the little flowers that I bought. I bought some like little flower beds. They're super cute. You're gonna see right now. I just didn't get enough for both of my olive trees. I only got enough for like one, but I still think it looks super cute. I'm gonna leave you guys here the clip so you guys could see.
Are these spiderwebs?
What?
Alright guys, this is the final part of the video. As you can see, my husband went ahead and planted my flowers. Juliana was out there helping him too. I am super excited because I feel now my front yard looks a lot better. It was looking like a little bit of a hot mess, to be honest, and I am happy that we were able to do these little projects around the house. I feel that it's always good to revamp your house, you know, to make it your own. Other than that, I think that's about it. Shout out to my husband too. Obviously, he ended up putting, I'm going to show you a clip at the end here. He ended up putting like a little like manguerita, for, like a little water hose to each little pot or each little bush too, that gets watered. So this is how my trees get watered, so I don't have to do it manually, which we love. So yeah, I think it looks beautiful. Obviously, we need to clean up a little bit of the extra leaves.
Juliana.